There, it's in the center of the hole, which is always a good sign. I'm gonna just peel away here and see if we could find something. Oh, look at how deep that trowel went. I dug it out from way down there. Hey guys, Johnny here for Guess It Was Fate Metal Detecting. Today is March the 9th and it is so windy. I'm back at the Happy Hunting Ground. Might be doing a beach hunt later, but might not because of these strong gusts. Anyway, let's check out the first find. Well, I'm back at a section of a Happy Hunting Ground that's been pretty good to me in the past. I got a nice World War II collar disc button and some silvers, and I was coming over here. I was picking up a 1247, but right next to it there was some iron, and I'm using a mode to find some Indians, I hope. But there was a high pip, and I was getting a 1247 48, 6 inches down. Oh, I'm hoping it's not in the plug here, but there, it's in the center of the hole, which is always a good sign. I'm gonna just peel away here and see if we could find something. Oh, there it be. Is that? Yep, look at that. There is a Merc. I'm gonna put it up here on the mound, give it a little squirt, and see what we got here. Well, I gave it a squirt with the bottle, but it's a dirty Merc. I gotta zoom in here for the date, if I can find it. Oh, this sun, I can't see it right now, but let's give her a flip. Well, there it is. I am happy to get silver number 12. Yes, sir. All right, at the Happy Hunting Ground continues to produce silver. Silver Smile strikes again. See that stump over there? Yep, I'm hunting in this area. There's my pinpointer in the hole. And I was picking up something really, really tight, wiggling back and forth. I was able to pick up a 1247, about, five inches down. I threw up some dirt, poking around with the pinpointer. Hello, little Franklin. Sorry for the wind again, folks. And we gotta see what kind of date we got here on Franklin. Well, there you have it. It's a first year Rosie. They made so many of these. Hey, happy to get silver number 13 for Johnny. Oh man, the silver streak continues for me too, just as well as John from Metal Detecting, Michigan. All right, John, let's get some more silvers too. Johnny here for Guess It Was Fate Metal Detecting. And I guess it was fate. We're just gonna get inundated with a blizzard, my friends. 20 plus inches perhaps, starting on Tuesday. Oh boy, but I had to get out one more time before it came. As you can see, there's still some snowy patches around, but plenty of open space at the Happy Hunting Ground. And I came over here I was picking up a 12, 32, 33. Look at how deep that trowel went. I dug it out from way down there. And I pushed only a little dirt up here. And I'm sure we're gonna find that this could be an Indian head scent. I'm gonna give her a quick cleaning. But I think we could already make out. That's the back, I believe. And I'm gonna give it a little brush in here and get right back with you. Oh my, isn't that pretty thing? An 1891 Indian head scent. In pretty good condition, I would say. Yahoo! Love the Indians. Let's give her a flip and see how the other side fared. Pretty good, I would say, for Happy Hunting Ground standards. Oh man, love the Indians. And today is March the 13th. And like I say, tomorrow, blizzard conditions. All right, happy hunting, my friends.